So it's becoming nighttime again, and it's time to sterilize surfaces. So I like to start in my office and clean all the contact surfaces that I've touched throughout the day. And then when my partner goes back to the room for the night, then I'm going to go out there and clean all the contact surfaces, especially the bathroom, and then stuff in the kitchen. So in general, I'm using Clorox wipes for wiping down everything. I have isopropyl alcohol wipes for things like this leather pad, my hand sanitizer ready to go, and then a Lysol disinfectant spray for the air. So we're going to make sure we're going to want to contact any surfaces that we may have touched throughout the day. I have my monitors around. And I like to clean my hands with hand sanitizer before I start the process. Don't forget about your office chair, especially those armrests. And then the top back of the chair as well. And this is just to make sure that anything I picked up during the day that I brought in here isn't hanging around, so that's why I'm doing that. And then also another high touch contact surface is this mouse here. My laptop. This was my personal laptop. Clean the outside of those containers, so that water bottle that I've been using all day, I really want to make sure that the outside surface is nice and clean. Same with my coffee mug. And don't forget to waterboard your phone with the hand sanitizer.